Hi, let me show you how you can customize quick settings on your POCO F7. So you have to swipe down your quick settings menu, and here on the bottom you can find edit. So click on it, and here you can remove or add the settings to your quick settings menu. So if I want to remove some of them, I can click on the minus in the settings. If I want to add some of the settings, I can choose from here with the plus. So I want to get lock screen in my quick settings, so I clicking plus. Also wallet. And if you want to change the place of these settings in your quick options menu, you just have to drag it wherever you want. So like that or that, do it like you want. And when it's done, you have to click this check mark in the top right corner, and as you can see, my quick menu looks different right now. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.